Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Malone TV. Let's get the day started. Just so you guys know, today is Monday the 14th, I believe, and it's about to be Thanksgiving here pretty soon on Thursday, so I'm just wishing everybody out there a happy holiday. Current time right now is about 8:03 a.m. It's about when I get my morning started. Gotta get on the road. I would say that it's a beautiful day here today, but it's really not, because we've had a bunch of fires around my area here in California, Antelope, California. Out there in Paradise by Chico, we have some terrible fires right now, and it's really affecting the air quality out here. It's really unhealthy, but I have to go to work. I got to get things done, so I'm going to continue to be positive, and that's how we do it. Come out here every morning, grab the trailer, hook it up, and then we're on our way. Just like that, and we're all set to go. Let's get the day started. Bought me one of these V8 Energy Peach Mango. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love to drink Red Bull. I'm trying to switch it up a little bit and go with a little healthier option. So let's do a little taste test. We got this at Walmart. It's not bad. It's got 50 calories, 13 grams of carbs, 11 grams of sugar. It's a little high, but it's much better than a Red Bull. And it's got a bunch of vitamins in here: potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. A couple other stuff, but anyways, I would recommend it. Check it out. Alright, so I'm currently on my way to my first customer's house over here in Antelope. Looking at the books today, I got about, I think, 5 or 6 yards to do today. I typically service between 25 to 35 yards a week on average. That's just on my schedule. I get calls almost every day though for like side jobs and haulings and stuff like that. I started my business in 2009. Let me roll up the windows. Yeah, I started my business in 2009 when the economy was just super terrible, when we went through the recession. Before starting the business, I was working at Verizon Wireless, and I was doing sales, and everything seemed like it was going great, and all of a sudden, you know, the times took a turn, and I got laid off or fired, or however you want to call it. And I always wanted to start a landscape business. I used to work for my buddy's dad before working for Verizon, and I thought, man, this is a pretty cool thing. And I saw how much money he was making, and I saw how flexible his hours were, and just being able to have freedom to do what you want to do is just great, you know. So, you know, I got laid off at Verizon, and I had a little Acura Integra at the time, and I sold my car, went out and bought me a truck, bought me a lawnmower, bought me an edger, bought me everything I needed, and I just kind of went from there. It took me about 2 or 3 weeks to get my first customer. And I didn't even mow the yard. I just went and raked up some leaves. I made 20 bucks that day. But man, just the feeling inside of working for myself, and it was just so rewarding. And ever since then, you know, it's just kind of driven me to keep being successful and grow. And here I am, guys, almost 10 years later. I'm doing great for myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm really thankful and blessed. I built up a really nice clientele, and I'm just gonna continue to grow. But anyways, that's a little bit about my business and what I do. I might make a full video on all the specifics in the video. Yeah, maybe I'll make some business videos that maybe help you guys out if you guys want to start your own business and stuff like that. But anyways, I appreciate you guys that continue to watch my vlogs, and all the new people who are going to watch this. I appreciate you guys too. YouTube is hard, man. It's hard to grow. I find it very entertaining and amazing how people like me and you, we go on the internet and we watch people, complete strangers that we don't even know, and we watch their lives, and it's interesting. So sometimes I don't know what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna talk about, what I'm gonna say, but I just kind of roll with it. And hopefully, you know, I'm entertaining, and the content that I put out is good, you know. If you guys have any ideas for me on what you guys want to see, what you guys want me to talk about, you know, stuff like that, let me know in the comment section, or send me a message. Anyways, today's Monday. I hope you guys all have a great day. It's going to be a great day. I'm all about positive thoughts and positive vibes, and the energy is just awesome today. So let's all have a great day today. Thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so just pulling up to my houses right here. I actually service 3 properties on this street. I service this house behind me, that's 1. Service that house, that's 2. And I service that house, that's 3. It's the easiest way to do it. Put your houses in a row, get your money right there, nice and easy. About to bang these out, and I'll see you guys in a few. Alright, so the time is about 9:35 a.m. Just finished up those 3 yards. About to keep it moving, and see you guys at the next place. Just pulled up to my next destination. We got house number 4, and then house number 5 right there. About to keep it moving. Man, it's nice out here. It's a nice Monday. The smoke isn't too bad right now, so it's not really affecting me at the moment, which is great. That means it might be getting a little bit better. Pray for paradise, you know. Pray for Chico, pray for paradise, pray for all the families who are going through it right now, all the families who lost their homes, their houses, their cars, their animals, all their valuables, everything that they owned, you know, people lost. So if you get a chance, you know, pray for them, and if there's anything you guys can do to help, maybe donate some clothes or some food or anything. I'm sure it's very appreciated. It's just so sad, some of the events that happen in this world, and I don't understand why it happens. Happens to good people, happens to bad people. I guess we'll never know, we'll never understand. But just try to stay positive, and yeah, just pray for everybody. Pray for them, guys. So about to get back to work. Got house 4, got house 5, and then after that we're about to head downtown and do a quick little hauling job for somebody. All right, guys, so I got the 5 yards done. Just got the trailer unloaded. As you guys can see, we're about to head downtown right now. I just got a call for a hauling. They want me to pick up a mattress, drop the brand new mattress off, take the old mattress, and take it to the dump. So that's what we're about to do. Scheduled to be there around 12:30. Not sure exactly what time it is. Oh, here we go. Oh, I gotta turn my car on, but I guess it doesn't matter. But we're on our way to the next job. So I just got to the customer's house, picking up the mattress real quick. So I'm about to walk up the door. Here we go. All right, so we got the mattress. About to strap this bad boy down, and then we'll be on our way and get it delivered. All right, just got to the customer's house. About to drop off the new bed, as you can see, back there, up there. And then about to grab the old mattress out, and we're about to head to the dump. Yeah, let's do it. Just pulling up to the dump right now. Doesn't look too bad around here today. One thing that I do not understand though, the speed limit here, guys, is 4.5 miles an hour. How am I supposed to go 4.5 miles an hour? That doesn't really make any sense to me. If you guys have never seen the dump, this is what the dump looks like. It's pretty nasty. This guy in front of me, he's doing it big right here. He's got a beat up pickup truck filled to the max, but I bet you he's making more money than you, or half of you people out there. Oh, we got the boss right here. Say what's up to the boss. There he is. There's the boss. There's the boss. What's up, buddy?
Not much. Just the mattress, boss?
That's just the mattress.
All right, swing around me on your way out. Is mattress station.
All right, cool. Am I good to go?
Yep.
So the best hauling jobs to do are mattresses and appliances, because they don't charge a dump fee for that. What's that? Oh, yeah, I got it. Hey, I appreciate you though. Thank you. See, we got some nice people helping me offering to help me unload. That's what it's about, man. But I can handle it by myself. But anyways, yeah, there's no fee for dumping mattresses and appliances. So today, like, it's all profit. So that's what I love about this. Sometimes you get the good ones, sometimes you get the bad ones. When I have my trailer set up, if they usually go by weight, it's $48 a ton. So a ton is 2,000 pounds. Anyways, about to get this unloaded real quick, and my day is done. That's it. That's how a boss does it out here. It's about 2:30. About to go get some lunch, and see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So it's about 2 o'clock. I was actually wrong on the time. Just getting done with work. So the title of the video is how to make $60,000 a year mowing lawns and hauling junk. I'm probably gonna make another video and kind of go into depth and detail on exactly. Hold on one second. Yeah, I just had a mattress. That was it.
What's that?
He said I didn't have to stop. I just had a mattress. So.
All right, go ahead.
Oh yeah. All right, man. Hey, you're good. Have a good day. Where was I? So yeah, this video is basically to show you guys how to make $60,000 a year mowing lawns and hauling junk, trash, you know, appliances, you know, whatever, unwanted stuff at people's houses. You can do this a couple ways. One way is you can get 50 lawn accounts at weekly service. You need to find 50 people that believe in you, 50 people who like your business, do a good job, and you got $5 grand a month. That's weekly service, 25 bucks a cut, 100 bucks a customer. You got 50 accounts. You're making 60 grand a year. Boom. So that's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it, me personally, I don't have 50 accounts. I have, right now, you know, it's approaching the winter time. I'm doing about 25 to 35 accounts. And the thing is, each one of my accounts pay differently. I mean, my minimum charge is gonna be 25 bucks a visit. You know, but I have accounts that pay me 60 bucks a visit, 40 bucks a visit, 35 a visit, you know, and that all adds up. The goal here today, you know, is to make 250 bucks a day. If you make 250 bucks a day, it comes out to $1,250 every week. You times that by 4 weeks in the month, and you got yourself $5,000 a month income, okay? Excuse me, I'm driving. Try not to kill myself. So you got $5 grand a month, $250 a day, Monday through Friday. You can take the weekends off if you want to, or you can keep grinding. Now, like I said, I do not have 50 accounts, so I do other things. I'll do like a tree trimming job. So I could do a tree trimming job for 800 bucks, okay? And that's just one day, and that pretty much almost covers my weekly goal of $1,250. Also keep in mind, guys, when I say $60,000 a year, it's kind of difficult to do that by yourself. I do have a worker that works with me. I do have to pay him. I do have expenses. I do have gas, equipment cost, dump fees, etc. So it's not just $60,000 in my pocket, you know. I do have expenses, so you're gonna run into that. But basically this video is just to let you guys know that the potential is out there. I have a buddy of mine who started a landscape business actually 2 summers ago. He's not quite making 60 grand a year, but he's well on his way. He's established now. He doesn't have to work a 9-to-5 job. He sets his own hours, you know, and he's doing pretty well for himself. So just a recap of the day. I did 6 yards. Average was 25 bucks a visit. I think I did 2 yards today that were 30. So I made let's just round it out, made 150 mowing the 6 yards. I just went downtown, delivered a mattress, took the mattress to the dump. That was a $100 job, so I'm up to 250. The customer had a bunch of stairs, so it took a little longer to bring the mattress up. She actually gave me a $20 tip, which is nice. So end of the day with $270, so I'm about 20 bucks over my goal for the day. And it's only 2 o'clock. You know, I can live my life. I can go to the gym. I can go get lunch. I can hang out with my friends. I can do whatever I want to do. I mean, it's just one of the perks of running your own business. You get financial freedom. There's no limit on how much money you can make. It's all about your mindset. It's all about growing, staying positive, networking, talking to people. You know, I just like to stay positive. You know, if you're a good person, good things are gonna happen. Not always, but for me, I believe in karma. You know, I try to take care of my customers and do the best job that I can. And you know, that's how you do it. That's how you build a business, you know. Referrals. The number one thing in a business is gonna be your referrals. You do good for a customer, they tell their friend. That person tells their friend, and it's just a ripple effect. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you know, I've been doing this for about 9 years now, so I still do post ads and, you know, get new customers, especially for like junk haulings and stuff like that. But you know, as far as my landscape part of the business, you know, I don't have to post too many ads anymore. It just comes naturally. The business builds itself by word of mouth. Anyways, I know this video is kind of long. Kind of a different video for me. It's more of a business video, kind of the day in the life of what I do, running a landscape business and hauling. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment. But yeah, if you're thinking about starting your own business, there's plenty of money to make in the landscape field. Like I said, if you just want to mow yards for 25 bucks a pop, get yourself 50 customers. You know, that's 10 yards a day, Monday through Friday. You can do that in 6 hours. Or like me, you know, if you have a bunch of yards on one street, you know, you can get it done in 3 to 4 hours. Gives you more time to spend with your family, more time to spend with your kids. Anyways, if you found this video of any value to you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll probably be making some more business videos as well. Everybody have a great day. Happy holidays. We got Thanksgiving coming up. And that's all I got for you guys today. Be blessed. Enjoy your day. That's how you make $60,000 a year. Let's rock, baby.